we look at the denominators, and we have 3 of them. There's a 1 there. A 3 is 3 over 1, so everybody's a fraction. So I know that the first denominator can't be 0. The second denominator can't be 0. And 1 can't be 0. Is 1 ever 0?
No.
No, not in our number system. So here's the 2 exclusions. X can't be -1. X can't be 2. I can come any number out except for those 2. So that's my restriction. What's the LCD? X plus 1, X minus 2, because that's a 1. So you're going to use the distributive property and multiply both sides by that. So I have 3x over x plus 1 plus 4 over x minus 2. Now I'm putting a lot of steps in. Goes 3 over 1. And I'm going to multiply by the LCD, which is x plus 1, x minus 2. Now, if I've done this correctly, it'll kill the denominator. So in other words, the denominator is going to go away. That's why I need to know what my restrictions are. So this is x plus 1, x minus 2, times, using the distributive property, plus x plus 1, x minus 2, times, equals 3 times x plus 1, x minus 2. Oops. That's an x minus 2. Well, what happens here is the x plus 1's go. I'm going to be left with 3x times x minus 2 plus x minus 2's go. I'm going to be left with 4 times x plus 1 equals 3 times, now I'm going to multiply those 2 together first. That makes my life a little bit easier. So that's going to be x squared first, minus 2x plus 1x minus x, plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Clear parentheses, so 3x squared minus 6x plus 4x plus 4 equals 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Now, we'd start by, well, I can do all kinds of stuff. I think what I'll do is combine these 2 x's first. So 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Subtract 3x squared from both sides. What do you notice? So I'm left with nothing but x's. So minus 2x plus 4 equals minus 3x minus 6. So that's just a straightforward linear equation. Add 3x to both sides. X plus 4 equals minus 6. Subtract 4 from both sides. X equals minus 10. Is minus 10 an okay answer? Yeah. Why? It's not equal to 1 or it's not equal to 2, so therefore minus 10 is a-okay. So that's what your conclusion would be. X cannot equal minus 1. X cannot equal 2. we got x equal minus 10, so we are, at least for the first step, okay.